is important. Today we're going to look at where order isn't important. Okay? So, for example, caring about a position on a team versus not caring about position on a team. So I think in basketball you have 6 players, 5 players. Okay, so you care about, you just want to find out from 10 players, how many 5-player teams can you make? Would that be permutations or combinations? Combinations, because you don't care about who's on the team, you just care about how many different teams. If I go, I want to know who's going to be, at the back of the court, who's going to be at the front of the court, from the 10 players, the 5 positions, that makes it a permutation. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so we've got a few goals up here today. Have a combination like this, or it could be displayed like this. So it's the same thing. So this is just the same as writing NC3. So let's just practice doing it on the calculator. Because sometimes writing the rule can get you a mark. So whether you just write this or whether you write this, I think it would be still worth the same mark.
Do they still
So N equals and R equals, so 8C4 equals 8 factorial over 4 factorial 8 minus 4 factorial. Yep, so the amount of ways Mr. Hayward could pick the 4 students is 70, or the amount of ways is 70. The right is something different to the rule, yeah. So the left is just the normal rule. So we work with the different thing. So you usually explain what you're doing, so the right-hand side, so we're working with that. So what do you think we would do? Use the formula? Yep. Okay, so instead of an R down here though, we've got an N minus R. So what do we need to do to change it? Yep, so where the R is, we're changing it to N minus R. Okay, so there and there. And then there was an R inside the bracket, so I'm going to replace that as well. Does that make sense? So then we'll simplify the bottom row. That stays the same. This becomes N minus N plus R. And that becomes N minus R, and this simplifies to what? R, which is the NCR, which is the left-hand side. So we write, therefore, left-hand side equals right-hand side. So NCR equals NC minus R is true. So it's important in a proof to finish with the original statement from the question. Yeah. So ABC is the same as CBA. Because order isn't important. So you can imagine the number of combinations is a lot.
So there's only one.
So for a permutation, it's 2.
Yeah.
For a combination, it's 1.
Yeah.